Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing the minimum academic prerequisites and acting immediately. Apply to a journalism diploma, BA, or certificate program and enroll in introductory reporting classes. While waiting, publish 3 5-short pieces to an online portfolio and record 1 2-minute on-camera clip. These act as proof of skill. Once done, contact local newspapers, campus radio, or online outlets to request internships or freelancing spots, because hands-on experience accelerates learning far more than theory alone. Next, deepen practical skills through focused practice and targeted roles. Learn AP style, interviewing techniques, ethical reporting, and basic media law. Make a habit of thorough fact-checking and sourcing. Simultaneously, take 2 3-month internships or campus desk roles on specific beats to build domain knowledge and contacts. Make content consistently. Publish a weekly article, produce a monthly podcast or video, and run a social feed. This creates a track record and helps editors evaluate your reliability and voice over time. Finally, move from learning to earning by applying for entry-level roles and tailoring each application to the beat you want. Once you land work, specialize in an area, data journalism, investigative reporting, multimedia, to increase value and pay. Make sure to pitch stories, maintain relationships, and keep a rolling portfolio. If progress stalls, ask editors for candid feedback, re-edit your best pieces to current standards, and widen networking by attending workshops and local press events to unlock new opportunities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.